Hi YouTube, I'm back. Today we're gonna restrain the cremas. So I'm gonna need some help. I'm gonna have my mom holding this for me while I'm pouring the cremas in the bowl. So mom, if you, thank you. Now I'm gonna remember the last video we made the cremas. I let it sit for a minute. You don't have to do it, it's just a preference thing. So this is what it looks like. It smells so good, guys. And in there we have the nutmegs, the lime zest. Gotta stir it a little bit before I restrain it. And remember, you use a cheesecloth for that. It's gonna be very smooth. Stir it. Oh, smells good. Now I'm gonna pour it in a bowl. Hopefully I don't drop it. Very slowly, guys. You don't wanna go too hard. I'm gonna let me know when to stop, mom. I can leave the side. Now I'm gonna help her. We're gonna, because you don't want this to go back in your cremas. You see, that's the spice. That's what I let it sit in there overnight for the flavors. There you go. Now she's gonna dele, dele bien dele nous fini. Après ça, pour nous faire ça. So, pensez, fin couler net ou bien n'a mettre ça dans la bouteille. So, n'a pas ça, non?
No, vraiment cotorder.
So, we're gonna switch. And I have my bottles ready. They are sanitized and everything. I'm gonna pour it. I have some Asian liquor. It's not a lot. Now, I think I can manage this little one. There you go. You see how pretty it looks, guys? It looks so pretty.
Okay.
You don't want it to be too full. There you go. I think I'm gonna need more than 3, Mom. We're gonna need more than 3 bottles. Some people gonna get drunk for the holiday. We're gonna get drunk. Okay. That's the only cremas my husband drank. Only my cremas. Okay. This is just a little bit. Let me just. All right. There you go. Now we gonna do the same thing. I gotta get some more bottles after. gonna open it again. I might need another set of hands. I'm gonna call my husband. He's right here. Husband. Can you get some bottles for me? Maybe like 4 more in there. And open them, please. Thank you. Oui, ça fait mettre bol la chita souris. Ok.
Ok.
You have to be very careful, guys, because you don't want the spice to go back on your creamettes. Maybe I should get the spoon and move it a little bit, because we have all the spice sitting on the bottom of the cheesecloth. Make it very slow. Thank you, husband. Wifey. There we go. The same process. Slowly, guys, slowly.
Okay.
Yesterday it was hot, and this morning, oh my God, it was so freezing outside. This bottle is gonna be mine, guys. It's going to be mine. Yeah, I'll pour a little bit out. I think I'm gonna give one away. They are yours, hon. I'm going to give one away. We're gonna do some Asian history questions, and whoever got the answer right is gonna have a nice bottle of cremas. That's it. You won't believe the smell, guys. Holiday in a bowl, like I said. It smells so good. You know, with all the spices of nutmeg, cinnamon. It smells so good. And the longer it sits, the better it tastes. Wow, crémasse glacée. So by New Year's Eve, oh, that thing is gonna be delicious, and it's gonna be a little thicker. You want me to remove the wooden spoon?
Non, mda ken be di bay la dan li men bliye si wap bezon ki vet la. Si se li wal vide.
Oh yeah, because this one, this is the lambage bowl. You know, in Haiti, when we bake cake, the kids have to lick the bowl, the spatula. And when we make the crémasse, the grandma have to lick the bowl because it has alcohol in it. We cannot give the bowl to the kids because it has alcohol in it. So the grandma have to lick the bowl. And the best thing after making crémasse is sucking on the cheesecloth. Oh my God. If you were a child growing up in Haiti,
Okay.
you know what I'm talking about. Sucking on the cheesecloth. So this is ours to this. So guys, this is it. I have 6 bottles out of it. Yeah. I have 6 bottles out of it. What's the cup? Okay. I'm gonna seal them. The way that I'm gonna seal the bottles, the ones that I'm gonna save, I'm gonna seal it with melted wax. So I'm gonna melt some wax and dip it in the wax, and the cover's gonna be sealed. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, any questions, let me know. Please like and don't forget to subscribe. Happy holidays.